Hello everyone! Hi! This is my first video. Before we start, I want to say sorry if my English is not good enough or not good yet because I'm still practicing, but I want to try to talk in English. English is not my first language or even my second language, and in my country, we only talk in one language as our national language, so I hope you don't mind. Thank you! For today, I want to do unboxing, and this is NCT Dream X Pinkfong Playbook. This is one of the official merchandise by NCT Dream's X Pinkfong, and this is the marked version. In this video, I also want to show you all of the details of the playbook, including the PC, the photo card, the standee, and also the playbook itself. So let's remove the box first. So here we go, we have two playbooks here, and I have this Renjun's version, and this is Mark version. And actually this is unsealed. The Renjun version is unsealed because I already ordered this like few weeks ago, and this is the Renjun's Dino photo card. Look at this cute Dino photo card. This is the back. And this is the front. Super cute. And I think that the playbook is the same. This is the front. And the difference comes from this standee. This is Dino standee. And this Dino photo card, of course. So I will show you this Renjun standee first. This is the Renjun's Dino standee. This is the name, and there's one egg here, and then this is the Renjun's Dino. Super cute. Wait. Okay. Oh, here. And then this is the mark. This is the front, and this is the back. Okay, we'll see when we open it. Wait. This is Mark standee. This is the name. Oh, Mark got no egg here. Oh, maybe because he is Tyrannosaurus. This is the Mark standee. So cute. Here. And then this is the playbook. This is the front. And this is the back. It's them, 7 of them. The premise. Ta-da! And the photo card is in the first page. So let's see. Look at this. Oh my god, super cute. This is Mark. Super cute. Mark is super cute here. Look. Super cute. Yep. This is Mark photo card. Okay, where I should put this. Okay, here. And this is the playbook. Okay, in the first page we have this. This is NCT Dream with their dino characters. So the red one is Mark. Mark is Tyrannosaurus Mark. For the next, the blue one is Renjun. Renjun is Brachiosaurus. Renjun. Next is Geno. Geno is Xenotarsosaurus. Geno. And the orange one is Hechan. Hechan is Gallimimus. Super cute. And next is Kenterosaurus gemin. And next, Elasmosaurus chonlo. And the last one is Lambeosaurus jisong. I changed the camera setting and position so it will be wider and we can see a whole page in the playbook clearly. So this is the playbook door, and I will open the playbook one by one, page by page, so we can see all of the page, all of the playing page in the playbook. As we can see here, in total we have 4 coloring pages. So this is Chonlo and Jeno. And this is Mark by himself, so they are in pairs and Mark just alone by himself. This is NCT Dream, and they are on the stage. I think that this is based on their hot sauce concept, and look at those hats. Super cute, right? I really want that hat for real. And actually, in every page that we can play, there is such an instruction in the corner, so we can play all of the page based on that instruction. In this page, we have to find the difference between the left page and the right page. So in total, we have to find 4 difference. Yeah. This is NCT Dream with their dino outfit. And this is another coloring page. This is NCT Dream in the stage with their dino outfit. Their full dino outfit. Another NCT Dream on the stage. And they're missing. So in front of them, there are a lot of CGNs with the NCT light stick. This is the instruction about what we should do in this page. I think that we have to find the NCT members and place them on the playing stage. Also, we can see the matching page here about the hat and the body. And these are the stickers. I think we can place them on the previous playing page. Here, right here. And maybe I'll do it later. Since I have 2 playbooks, I'll play with it for real. These are also stickers. There are a lot of sticker page here. These are also a bunch of stickers. And for this page, I think that we have to place these stickers with this page. And this is also a matching page with the shadow. And this is NCT Dream. Jisung even bring the eggs. Here, super cute. These are a bunch of their photos with the zookeeper outfit. And this is NCT Dream with the T-Rex. And these are also the answers of the previous games. So here we are. We are at the end of the page of the NCT Dream x Pinkfong playbook. Yay! I really hope that all of you can enjoy this playbook and also enjoy all of the merchandise by NCT Dream x Pinkfong as I enjoy it, and I really can't wait to play it. So here we are at the end of the video, and thank you so much if you're watching this. Maybe we can meet again in the next video. Bye!